Hey cuties, so yeah, we're going there. So look, this is my dad. Hey, look at the camera. This is my mom. Bro. Okay, yeah, so we're like coming there. We're like going over there. Cause like, why? You can't.
We're having a special delivery, right?
Yeah, we're having a special delivery.
For Deserve
.biz.
cargo handling.
Yeah. And we're like delivering chickens. Cause we're going to Bohol, so yeah. Maybe I could video to with our journey. Yeah, I think. Okay, we have to pay.
This is a Sisilix.
Yeah.
I don't want to. It's the longest bridge right now in Cebu, in the Philippines.
Yeah, it is.
This is where you pay your toll fee.
Yeah, what I was about to say, fee. Okay, stay tuned, guys. I don't really like to, watch while driving it.
This is our driver.
Yeah. This is our driver. The drivery.
See, Mr. President. Ikaw, Mick.
How is he the president?
The president of our clan. President of the Philippines.
Oh, but
He's always gonna
what do you
declaring
mean?
martial law.
What do you mean, the president of the Philippines?
He's the president of our clan.
Okay. Yeah, bugtaw na ko kamot, but I don't care. I still have to vid. So, can I put my phone over there? Ayun, no. Wala ba? Punta. Okay. Ma, do you have something para makakuha na?
No.
Then let me check. How about this? Wait, Papa.
That's okay. Are you going live?
No, I'm not going live. I just want them to see the journey.
Okay.
I want them to see our journey. Pero bugtaw man kaha.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I mean, I think I could speed it up. A phone? Wait, let me hold it. Apa, dahil natagak do ko no. Can you put it back? Basta karang na siya sa 9 minutes pa, i-pause niya na niya i-running.
Okay. Why?
Kay YouTube does not want long vids.
Okay. I think we need to one 7 cut.
Is it already 9?
Nope.
9 minutes pa. Okay guys, I'm gonna like cut this vid first and I'll put it back for like so
When you're in the port.
yeah, when we're in the port, like yeah, we're riding a boat, so stay tuned guys.